Alright, boys. So I'm gonna be exposing ZUNI.CC for basically using leaked shit, other servers' maps, and spoofing. So let me go over here and get this proof up here. And then my zero development. See, they're using leaked zHub and HROM's maps. So basically, it says 21 people online. That right there, like the tab, that looks a little weird. Also, it's weird how you can't do glist or /list. Squads is on, kits is on. So there's all of these people on. Right, so there's all those people on. But if we go over here to tribes, it's Rum's map. It says that they're online, because I can tab their name, but they're not on. But that still doesn't add up to 24. And since people can't check the glist, there could obviously be staff members online, but I highly doubt that there would be a lot. So there's what's it, 7 people on? Anyway, 7, and who knows how many people are online.